This video will show you how to make reference or citation using CitationMachine.net. There are some literatures that you got from the internet that do not have the capability of generating automatically the citation or the reference. Unlike the video I showed to you using PaperPile and in Philippine e-journals, you can have the capability of generating automatically the reference or the bibliography. If there are cases wherein the literatures or studies that you got from the internet do not have the reference, what are you going to do is we can use the CitationMachine.net in generating the reference or the bibliography. To do that, make sure we get the source of the article and then go to CitationMachine.net, then click I only want to create citations. Now from here, what is the citation style you will going to choose? So we will use the APA style. And then we click the website tab. And then we copy this link and paste it here. And then click search websites. Now after that, it will give you the article, Teaching and Learning with Technology, Effectiveness of ICT Integration in Schools. So it's the same with this. And then click Select. And then scroll down, click Final Step. And then scroll down, and then click Create Citation. Now it will give you the citation from the given source. You just copy this and go back to your Word document and then paste it. Now you have this citation using CitationMachine.net. So to create another citation, you just click Create Another Citation and click the website tab and then paste the link of the article that you got from the internet and then continue doing the previous steps that you did in creating citation using CitationMachine.net.